All right, y'all, here are the three best things about this MYTONER TN760 toner cartridge replacement pack that you might like. First, you get a really high page yield. Each cartridge can print around 3,000 pages, so this two-pack lasts a long time and helps cut down on replacement costs. Second, it works with a ton of popular brother printers, which it makes it a convenient replacement option for home offices, small businesses, or everyday printing, right? And third, the print quality. The print quality is surprisingly solid. You get sharp text, clean documents, and consistent printing from the first page to the last, right? So, if you looking for an, affordable toner printer option, without sacrificing print quality, this is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace, y'all.